Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube on your PS5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to the internet. From the main dashboard, simply scroll over to the Media tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled All Apps. Select this to explore the full library of available applications for your console. This quick step is your gateway to a world of entertainment. Once you're in the All Apps section, scroll through the list until you spot the familiar YouTube icon. If you have many applications, a useful tip is to use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly type YouTube. After locating it, simply select the application and then choose the download or install button. The download process typically takes only a few moments, depending on your internet speed, usually completing in less than 60 seconds. After YouTube finishes installing, you can launch it directly from your Media tab or find it in your game library under the Installed section. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. You have two main options for this: either scan a QR code with your phone or enter a short code into a web browser on a separate device. Whichever method you choose, it's a straightforward process to get your personalized content. Now that you are signed in, you can fully enjoy YouTube on your PlayStation 5, accessing all your subscriptions, personalized recommendations, and saved content in crisp detail. If you ever encounter any issues, first check that your PS5 system software is updated to the latest version. A quick console restart, or even power cycling your home router, can often resolve minor connectivity problems, ensuring a smooth streaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.